Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can share our personal data with Azure storage in Azure Portal. So let's move to Azure Portal. As you can see, we are in Azure Portal. Here in Azure Services, click on Storage Accounts. Then click on My Test Storage 009224. Here in Data Storage, we have File Shares. Click on it. Here we need to create one file share. Click on File Share. Give any name. In there, click on drop down menu and choose Hot, which is good for our testing purpose. Then click on create. As you can see, our file share is created successfully. Now click on it. First of all, I am going to upload a file for testing purpose. For this, click on upload. Then click on select a file. Here we have one script. Click on the script and click open. Then click upload. As you can see, our file is successfully uploaded. Now we need to share this directly with our on-prem Windows machine. For this, click on connect. Here we have three different platforms: Windows, Linux and macOS. We are going with Windows. In drive letter, you can choose any drive letter by clicking on drop down menu. I am going with Z. In authentication method, choose storage account key. Here in connect, we need to copy this script, so copy this in clipboard. Now we need to go to our machine on which we want to share this drive. If I click on file explorer, then click on this PC, here you can see we have no drive with the drive letter of Z. Now click on start and open PowerShell and click on run as administrator. Now here we need to paste the script. Here first of all, it will check the network connection, then run the script. Now hit enter. As you can see, our drive is successfully mapped with our Windows machine. Here if I come back to the file explorer, here you can see we have one drive mapped now with our Windows machine. If I double click on it, here you can see we have one web IIS script which we was uploaded by using Azure Portal. Now for example, we have here one folder with the name of important data. If I open this folder, here you can see we have three different files. We actually want to copy this data with our Azure storage. For this, right click on this folder and then click on copy. Then here come back to our shared drive, right click on it and then click on paste. Now you can see our important data folder is copied successfully. Now if I go to Azure Portal and here if I click on refresh, here you can see we also have a folder here with the name of important data. If I double click on it, here you can see we have all the important files in this folder. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.